Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane. Today we're going to take a look at Bridge Pose Setu Bandhasana. Today's pose features Bridge Pose Setu Bandhasana. Bridge naturally opens the front of the shoulders, chest, hip flexors, and quadriceps. It is famous for opening the deep layers of the emotional body, the heart. It conversely strengthens your entire back body and most notably your erector spinal muscles, glutes and hamstrings, as you have to work against gravity to access the shape. It boasts many additional benefits to your interior body, such as relieving fatigue, improving circulation, calming the nervous system, stimulating the digestive organs, counterbalancing backache, and also relieving mental discomfort when practiced restoratively. So welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Bridge Pose Setu Bandhasana. So I'm going to have Trisha start on her back with her feet at hips distance and her knees bent. So Setu Bandhasana Bridge is a really accessible back bend, even if you don't consider yourself a back bender. You can do this as a passive pose with a block underneath your sacrum. In that variation, the block goes the tallest route if possible. So fingertips will grace her heel, so she's going to scoot her feet back a touch. This is just a general alignment principle. You might have to refine it once you get into the shape. So we're going to do this in increments. I'm going to have her push down through her feet to lift her hips about halfway up. And from here, she's going to take one arm bone and wrap the shoulder blade in, not down, and then the other. If she can interlace her hands, that's great. If she can't, that's also great. We could give her a strap. Otherwise, she could grab the outside edge of her mat. The important piece is the shoulder heads roll away from the midline, so the head of the upper arm cascades back and down like a waterfall. So this is really common in this shape. Make sure external rotation is happening in the shoulders. It does matter for the opening in the chest. Now that she's taken those adjustments, I'm going to ask her to lift her hips a little higher. She's going to draw her sternum towards her chin, and she's going to lengthen her tailbone away from the back body towards the back of the knees. So you can imagine that her back body is moving towards her knees and her front body is moving towards her chest. So she's got beautiful broadness in the collarbones. The natural curve in the back of the neck is present. I can stick my fingers under there, no problem. And you can see from underneath that there's a beautiful natural arcing that's not rigid in any particular way. You want the back bend to be a continuation that starts in the neck and ends in the low spine. She's got her big toe ball mounds nice and firm, her inner thighs rolled down. If you have tightness in the rotators, you can take a block between the knee to encourage the legs staying parallel. Anytime the knees splay wide, it's compressive to the sacrum, so knees staying parallel or thighs staying parallel is absolutely essential. She's been up for a while, so we're gonna let her come down. And when you come down, think about taking your knees forward in space so that you lay down your upper spine, your mid-spine, and eventually, release your hands, your lower spine. Really beautiful job. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. Namaste.